Hi you guys, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys just a quick look at a couple of the items that I got from my birthday that had not arrived yet. This is the notebook that I got, and it's a little smaller kind of notebook. I'm not sure exactly of the size, I can't off the top of my head, but it's just a really cute spiral notebook. There were two different versions of this series. It was 550 yen, and inside is that cute design there and here. And it's nice because the design is color, so it's like a little kind of level up of a regular kind of notebook, and it's spiral, so that makes it nice. And it's just really cute. And I was super happy that I was able to get it. That was the one I was a little more worried about because it was really kind of close. And then the other thing I have is this awesome mug cup that I got. Look at that in that cute little box. Now this guy was 2,400 yen, which I guess is a little bit, I guess that's about what they are these days. So this really was, I was really happy because it was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this is what it looks like. And it's just got this great 3D relief of all the different donuts on it. It's just so nice. That's like a French cruller, a honey glazed, just another, that's a honey dip one too, a churro, and a ponde ring, for example. So all these different choices there. And then the Rilakkuma face changes. You have his just regular face, looking kind of happy as he's eating. Regular face, and his mouth full of food, and the regular face. So it's really cute. The handle on it is, I think, a tiny bit tiny, but it's not too bad. And inside, it's kind of funny. There's just the little reliefs of everything in there, the little rilakumas and donuts. And it's a really nice big cup for a lot of coffee. So I was really happy with that. When I saw it first online, I thought it was a lot smaller. I just assumed, because a lot of times coffee cups in Japan are quite a bit tinier. So I didn't think it was going to be that big. So I'm really happy. So I wanted to share those with you guys. Some last minute items I got from my birthday. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.